Mo's already broken the rod, but we've basically pulled up for like the week the boys rode here, and Jess and I came from all over, and then we have nothing to do but fish and boat and tube for a week. We also have to boat to like a grocery shop that's like locally owned, and it's so cute, and a little petrol station which is like on the water. It's adorable. We went in it this morning and made a full-on scene, but that's okay. But now I'm giving the boys a lesson on how to fish. Although I'm not used to using these type of rods, like these reels, so it's been interesting, but we'll see how we go. And the cabin is so cute. Like, I wouldn't want any other, like, it's the perfect type of holiday to have as our last little getaway all together. And you walk like 100 meters in there, and then there's our cabin. There's our neighbors. Guten Tag. This is the update. We've caught about 10 seaweeds, but Jess is on the work. Look at this action. Perfect. Little loopy, but that's okay. Oh.
Grazer's freshwater fishing.
Shout out to Grazer's freshwater fishing for teaching me everything you know. Now I'm passing it on to these two Germans and this English lass. This is my mate Johnny.
I thought his name was Bob.
He's my good friend. I'm hoping that that's what gets us a fish.
Do you have one? You touched Bob.
Yeah. I thought it was Johnny.
No, his name was Bob.
Oh.
Gets a brother.
Oh. You're doing it in gloves though.
Yeah.
Not as strong as yours truly. Guys, happy Monday.
Monday, I'm staring directly into the sun right now.
The sun's so out.
My son.
Oh.
This is what Mondays are supposed to be like.
Yeah. We've got 2 gems on it. Basically what happened is they went to get us breakfast this morning and the supermarket's closed for the next 2 days. Yep. The only supermarket in length. So we're planning a route to go basically through the Baltic Sea. See if we can find another supermarket. Yeah, it's not looking good, but we'll see. On another note, it's looking beaut outside today.
Ist ja die dritte Stufe. Das ist weiß, also.
See, when they go German, it's serious. Serious action.
Trying to figure out if the route is blocked, you can actually get to the supermarket.
Yeah. And I don't know how good she's looking. Yeah, but it's also supposed to rain in 2 hours, so we have a little bit of a time crunch. We've kind of making it. Oh. Is it a wall? I think it's a wall. Yeah, there's a gap. That's fine. Yeah, guys, we're fine.
Let's also stop at the gap and check the tank.
Yep, that's really pretty. I thought that was our engine off. We're trying to make it to work. before the cruise ship comes. We've attached to this thing. That's all we could find is because we got so stressed.
Sexy to someone is all I really want. Sometimes sexy to someone is all I really want. Nothing more, nothing less. A dog walking in the park. Sexy to someone, I think about it all. Checking out of the hotel, moments at the bar. Ask if I'm in a movie. No, I didn't get the part. Sexy to somebody, it would help me out. Oh, I need a reason to get out of the house. And it's just a little thing I can't live without.
Like to drink with germs, cause they are our mates. And when we drink with germs, they get it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
You gotta give it a bit more room.
Why does it sound like that?
There is a B-A-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R